In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add dynamic Shopify coupon codes in Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. The goal here is to create a coupon inside Klaviyo that can be inserted into your emails or flows as a dynamic code. Dynamic means each recipient can receive their own unique coupon code, which helps prevent sharing and makes tracking easier. First, go to the left sidebar and find Content. Under Content, click Coupons. This is the area where Klaviyo manages coupon sets, including any Shopify-connected dynamic coupons. If you are not seeing coupons, it usually means you need the right permissions, or your account navigation is collapsed. Expand the sidebar if needed and look again under Content. Once you are on the Coupons page, go to the top right and click Create Coupon. This is where you define the coupon settings that Klaviyo will use to generate codes. Now enter a coupon name. Choose something that is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple promotions. A simple name like a welcome discount label works well. The name is for internal organization, so make it descriptive enough that you can quickly identify it when you add it to an email. Next, set the minimum coupon count. This number tells Klaviyo how many unique coupon codes to keep available. In other words, you are creating a pool so codes are ready to send when your campaign or flow goes out. A practical tip is to set this high enough to cover your expected send volume, especially if you plan to send to a large list or have a high traffic automation. Keeping a healthy count helps prevent delays or shortages when messages send. Finally, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration after a specific amount of time, like 1 year, or set it to expire on a specific date. Use a relative expiration, such as 1 year, when you want the code to remain valid for each subscriber for the same length of time after they receive it. Use a fixed date when you are running a seasonal promotion, and everyone needs the discount to end at the same time. Be consistent with your promotion messaging so the expiration aligns with what customers see in your email. Once these settings are in place, your dynamic coupon setup is ready to use in Klaviyo, and that is all there is to it.